My name's Michaeline Landy, and this is my husband Michael, and we moved into the Nassau model of Bryan Homes, which we absolutely love. I like the open floor plan. Our bedroom's in the back, the deck is right next to it.
It's wide open. It works out very well for us.
I always wanted an island in my kitchen. Everything's right there, and we're not getting any younger, so we wanted to be prepared for when we did, well, get older, and if we needed to live on one floor, we could. It's much bigger and spacious the way that it's built. I use one of the rooms for a guest room, and then there's a full bath for the guest. And the other room on this bedroom on the second floor I use for an office and a scrapbook room. I'm not sure that we were until we saw what the Nassau was. Then we started thinking that we aren't getting any younger, as I said before, and we had lived in our previous home for 30 years, so we didn't want to move again after this. So the reason we moved into the Nassau, when we saw how the plan was, is that this is going to be our retirement home.
There's more square foot here than we had in our old house.
Every room has a big walk-in closet. It's beautiful. I never had that before. It's perfect. We have a whole section that is just storage area, in addition to a much bigger area that we can actually enjoy, you know, as a game room, and then the bathroom, and then that walks out onto our patio. And I was sold once I walked through there, because we had already started thinking and we had already been looking, and like I said, the prices were comparable for older houses, and I said, I don't want other people's problems. I want a new house, and the Nassau just worked. It worked for the present time. It's going to work for the future time for our lives.